So far, I'm really loving my mirrors. I'll tell you that for nothing. And here's why. I mean, I decided that they're good, but let's make them better. I added ram balls to the long arms. So when I'm riding, I want to go and attach the 360 camera. I can put it on and have not in my face, because in the past it's always been here, like right in front of. Wow, it's tight. It's always like right in front of my instruments and my phone, and I'm like, I like it, and I still will probably go there most of the time. But being able to switch it back and forth to wherever I want, one, it could make, in certain situations, like the ocean's on one side, and I can have it more of a better angle and see things differently. Or for some reason, like right now, which I'm going to show just as a joke, if I wanted both cameras on to do a comparison, or if I'm comparing two cameras, you know, who knows what's going to come out in the future. Right? Here we have the two 360 cameras. Voila. Two 360 cameras. As you can see, I'm a little crazy right now. Now, for the record, I would never do this if I wasn't, unless I was testing like two cameras. Would never use both of my cameras. But I'm doing this just so I could see what the different angles look like. So we could figure out if they work or don't work. Because I might turn around and decide, oh, this is stupid, that they suck, and not want to do this at all. But I don't think that's going to be the case, because lots of times I drive with the camera like way up here, and usually it's right in front of my face, and it's not the best. I mean, it blocks your vision a little bit, and you know, you have to use a really long pole. But this is already up higher, so I have other long arms like the mirrors are made of. I could actually probably keep it right here and never really have it in my face, or just tilt it over a little bit medial. And it could be actually quite nice for the riding. So this is going to be a crazy little piece of video.